How did these ducks teach my students a really hard science concept? My middle school class started learning about solids, liquids, and gases. So I went online and I bought these ducks. I told the students that each duck represents a particle of matter. Let's talk about this first one, the cube, and how this teaches solids. So when these particles of matter are together in a fixed position and they vibrate very slowly, but they're still attached, they're almost glued in place, we call that a solid. Now solids have a definite shape, which means no matter the container I put it in, it has its own shape, and it has a definite volume, or it takes up a certain amount of space. Next, I talked about the particles in a liquid. So liquid particles are still together, but they can free flow past each other. And when I put them in any container, so let's say I have this container, you're gonna notice that these particles start to take the shape of the container they're in. So they do not have a definite shape, but they do have a definite volume. And last but not least, these ones in the air are hanging. These ducks would represent gas particles because they are really spread apart. I do tell my students that these particles would be moving. So that's the problem with this model is these particles, gas particles, move really, really fast because of the thermal energy involved. But honestly, that's for a whole nother lesson. So this is a great introductory lesson to solids, liquids, and gases for your students.